When uptime is your bottom line, every component matters. The best commercial truck wheels deliver a critical blend of extreme load capacity, structural durability, and weight optimization, ensuring your fleet stays safe, fuel efficient, and on the road. Starting at number 1. 2 PCS Packout Replacement Wheels. Upgrade your Milwaukee Packout rolling toolbox with the Texture 2-piece 9-inch heavy-duty alloy replacement wheel kit, a direct OEM replacement for models 48-22-8426 and 45-94-8426. Built with durable alloy hubs and shock-absorbing rubber treads, these wheels surpass standard plastic OEM wheels by significantly reducing vibration and noise while rolling smoothly over rough terrain, concrete cracks, and job site debris. Each kit supports a tested 550-pound load capacity to protect your tools during transport, and the included installation wrench and lock nut make for a seamless, hassle-free swap. Number 2. MX002707 Drive Wheel Kit for SlideDriver. Designed as a direct replacement for the older MX000689 model, the high-security MX002707 drive wheel kit is a 6-inch aluminum drive wheel engineered specifically for SlideDriver gate operators. Built with a durable aluminum exterior and a 6-inch rim size, this kit delivers reliable performance for SUV and truck vehicle service applications. The precision-engineered wheel ensures smooth, consistent operation, making it an ideal choice for upgrading or maintaining your SlideDriver system with a robust, long-lasting component. Number 3. Titan EW27X 8.50-15 Tractor Rim. The Titan EW USA-made 15x7, 6-lug wheel is a heavy-duty alloy steel rim designed for Kubota tractor fronts and compatible models requiring a 27x 8.50-15 tire. Featuring a 6-on-6-inch bolt pattern with a 4.63-inch center pilot hole, this rim offers a 4.25-inch backspacing and a reversible design that allows the valve stem to be mounted on the inside or outside. Built for durability and precise fitment, it is a reliable replacement for demanding agricultural applications. Number 4. 2-pack Solid Rubber Flat-Free Tire. The UI Pro Tools 2-pack of flat-free solid rubber tires delivers a dependable, maintenance-free solution for hand trucks and utility vehicles. Each 6x 1.5-inch wheel features a dense rubber tread on a red alloy steel hub, providing the bounce and feel of a pneumatic tire without the risk of flats. Designed with a 5/8-inch axle, a 1.25-inch offset hub, and double bearings on a steel rim, these non-marking tires support up to 350 pounds per wheel, making them ideal for replacing front lawnmower tires or all-purpose utility cart wheels. Number 5. Heavy-duty Container Moving Wheels. Designed for moving empty 20 to 40-foot shipping containers, this heavy-duty wheel kit features an ultra-thick plate with an 8-ear, 8x 6.5-inch bolt main shaft assembly. Made from cold-rolled, high-density alloy steel, the set of 8 wheels offers a total load rating of 8,800 pounds and is built corrosion-resistant for harsh environments. The upgraded design allows quick installation by inserting the spindle into the container's bottom corner casting, providing stable, maneuverable movement across warehouses, construction sites, or narrow roads.